Hello, my partiers. It is your girl Tiffany, back at you again with another what video. And today, you guys, I am going to be showing you how I do my charcuterie board. You guys, I'm going to do a Christmas charcuterie board. You guys, a Christmas dessert charcuterie board, you guys. So we're gonna jump into this video before I show you guys. So before we jump into the video and I finish doing the tray, you guys, I just wanted to recap and tell you guys of the items, show you guys the items up close, what I used on my board. So first of all, this is the ribbon candy, and it's supposed to come a whole ribbon like this, but you guys, what happened is, I guess when they shipped it to Family Dollar, you know how stuff can break up. That's what happened to these. So I'm gonna open up. This is how it comes with the little bubble wrap and the little paper over it. But see how it's broke up? I really hated that because I wanted the whole pieces. But I'm gonna take it out and show you guys. This is ribbon candy. This piece. See, you guys. And it comes in all these colors. Just solid yellow. Oh, white and yellow. White and green. What am I talking about? White and yellow. This color. And this yellow and... Let's see if I can take it like this. So this is the ribbon candy, and I purchased this from Family Dollar, you guys, and I think this was $3 for this box. Okay, so let's push it out the way. Next thing, I'm trying to think of all the stuff I got from Family Dollar. Oh, these I got from Family Dollar. These are the little coins I was talking about, the little chocolate crisp coins. And you see they have like different ones in there. These are the different ones that come in the bag. So I used these, and these were $2 a bag. And then at Family Dollar, they also had the mixed chocolate candy. This didn't come with the coins, you guys. It came with just these, like with the peanut butter cups and the chocolate balls. It's like a mix. See? It's a mix. But like I said, those were $2 a bag. And let me show you. I guess I'll put that up later. These Christmas tree brownies. Like I said, these are made by Little Debbie. And you can find these anywhere. But see how they're made like Christmas trees. Brownies. And I paid $2 and something a box for those. And then, let me unzip this. You guys, sorry about that. So, these came from Family Dollar. 3 came in a pack, 3 Santas. I think they were $1. So 3 medium-sized Santas. And then these Santas right here. These came from the Dollar Tree. These are chocolate caramel Santas. So those. And then I have the Dum Dums, which I purchased these, the Christmas Dum Dums. These came from the Dollar Tree. See, it's like caramel apple and hot chocolate. All different kinds in there, you guys. And then I just got the candy canes. These are actually little. They're not the regular size that you put on your tree. They're a little smaller than the ones you put on your tree. But these, and then these are the tiny candy canes, the real little ones. These both came from the Dollar Tree, you guys. And then of course the cotton candy snow that came from the Dollar Tree, you guys. So you guys, let's jump. Oh, nope, can't jump back into the video. Hold on, got some more stuff to show you. Two more things. So the Christmas tree cookies. See, and you'll probably find any Christmas cookie, shortbread cookie, in the grocery store right now, you guys. And the little plate, the little plastic tray plate. This came from the Dollar Tree, and they had different kinds, not just only this design. I think one had a reindeer on there. I don't know, it might be different for each Dollar Tree in every state. Maybe there's different stuff, I don't know. But here in Wisconsin, these are the trays we have. So you guys, that is a recap of the items that I use. So let's jump back into this video.